All right, everyone, welcome back. And looking at HNT really quick, I saw somebody commented on the last video. So I figured I'd zoom in real quick and just see what's going on with it. So here on the 4 hour chart, you're just sitting on the 236 here on the 4 hour chart at 615. So you're at 614 at the moment. So if you're looking at a smaller time frame, you need to get above this 615 here. You get above 615, the next stop to climb higher is the 382 at 644 for about a 5% move. And then up here, where you're probably going to find resistance at the point 0.5 at 668. You can see we had support all back here. You can also say we had support back here at the 382. So you may get stuck at 644 before you get up to that 668. And looking at a move to the downside here on the 4 hour chart for HNT, it looks like the bottom of the fib. Well, you are below the bottom of the fib here. So your next stop is 545 down here. If you do not get over this 236 here, then I would say you're going to come back down here to 545. And then eventually 405. And then, of course, you have the macro fib here. Not really macro, but the daily chart fib that we drew last time. As you can see here, let me get this 4 hour crap out of the way. But yeah, I mean, these things aren't going to be perfect. I mean, you're not going to get a perfect tag every time on a fib. It's just a general price area. So you can see here on the daily chart that we did fall through the 786, the bottom of the fib at 674. And it looks like it's grinding its way down here to about 319 at the 1618 if it keeps going down. So something to just kind of keep an eye on. It needs to get back up here above 632 and then 778 at the 236 for any kind of move back up. But it looks like if it does come back up, you can see all the support that we did have. I think I mentioned this on the last video. All the support that it had up here at this golden pocket at 875. So this 382 up here at 868 is going to be heavy resistance. So if it does come back up here and get past the 236, it'll probably get rejected up here at the golden pocket and move back down. If it in fact goes back up. But like I said, I guess the last time we looked at it was here. So you did come down, you broke through the bottom of this fib here. Pretty much both of them. So yeah, I mean, I would say that the price is probably coming back down. Or coming down to this 1618 down here at 319. Like I mentioned in the last video on Dash, the market's not looking too great. People are saying the bottom's not in. People are looking for like a 10K Bitcoin. And others are saying, the bottom's in and we're going to get out of here in the next couple of months. But no, you know what? Nobody knows. So there's really no telling where we're going to go from here. All I can do is point out what I see on these charts here. So from what this is telling me right now, I mean, there's really nothing going on, nothing bullish about HNT. It's printing bearish on the Heikenashis. And, the only support you got left is the 1618 down here at 319. So if you never get back over that 236 on the 4 hour chart, I can't remember the price now. So, but here on the daily, you got to get back above 632, then 674. You got to just climb your way back up. But if that's never done, then it looks like you're going to just melt pretty much down here to the 1618 at 319. So yeah, with that being said, just wanted to take a quick look at HNT here. But with that being said, not financial advice. Thanks for watching, everyone. Peace out.